Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to see some of the job openings which are available right now in various pharma companies. So here you can see the job openings on the screen along with me. So let's get started. Guys, coming to the first job openings, the job openings from Jodas Expoem Private Limited, and the walk-in interviews are on 16/7/2021. Here you can see the qualifications. Coming to the department quality control, the designation is executive, the minimum experience is 2 to 5 years. And coming to the QC microbiology, the executive position, the minimum experience is 1 to 3 years in steriles, and for process maintenance 2 to 5 years, and instrumentation 2 to 5 years in injectables. So friends, here you can see the date of interview, that is on 16/7/2021, that is tomorrow. The reporting time is 10 a.m. and you should carry the following documents. You should carry your updated CV, last 3 months pay slips, and CTC. And here you can see the venue details. I will zoom it. Jodas Expoem Private Limited, Industrial Biotech Park, which is phase 3, Karakapatla, Marcom, and Telangana, Siddipet, Telangana, Siddipet district. Friends, the job opening is in Siddipet and Telangana district. And here is you should send your resume to the following mail ID also: recruitment1@jodas Expoem. So here you can see clearly recruitment@jodas Expoem. So next is another job openings. These job openings are on 17. Here you can see walk-in interviews of IndSwift Limited for quality control and production departments, and it is OSD formulation, the job opening. And they are looking for young and dynamic personnel from pharma background with proven track records who have exposure to advanced and regulated market operations like MHRA and EU, European markets, for tablets, capsules, and sachet product formulations near Chandigarh. Guys, the job location is Chandigarh, where they are organizing walk-in interviews on 17/7/2021, and you can contact them via WhatsApp number, or you send your resume to the following mail ID. And the location is IndSwift Village, Jawharpur, and not only MHRA and EU exposure candidates will be entertained. So you should note that following precaution. They have all made a note. You should remember that note. Here you can see the number of positions and designations: quality control officers or senior officer executive. The qualification is B.Pharm, M.Pharm, and the minimum experience is 1 to 5 years. And next, the production operator, roster coating and top spray, bottom spray, ITI or diploma, minimum 1 to 6 years experience. Here you can see it on the screen. And the next thing is production officer or senior officer, granulation, pelletizing, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, or with 1 to 5 years experience. So these are the job openings. Friends, if you enjoy our information, definitely subscribe to our channel and also click the notification bell icon. It will be very useful for us to reach more people. Please like this video because it will recommend the YouTube algorithm to promote the video to more seekers or more job seekers. So please do support by liking our video. So next, coming to the job openings, friends. The job openings are from Cipla, walk-in interviews at Indore, and here you can see the job description: sterile manufacturing or filling officer, minimum experience 1 to 5 years, sterile manufacturing or filler operator 1 to 5 years experience, packing operator 1 to 5 years experience. And the job location is Indore. The venue of the job is Red Maple, Marshall, Madhya Pradesh, and candidate can walk in with their recent copy of their resume, all the relevant mark sheets, one color photograph, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and CTC statement and current salary slip. And the timings are from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So all of you need to follow the COVID-19 precautions also in order to secure the job, because no one will be allow you to enter without the proper precautions. Friends, coming to the next job openings from Apex Laboratories Private Limited, and they are hiring for the following departments: QC, QA, production, technology transfer. The minimum experience is 1 to 3 years for all these positions, and the date of interview is 16/7/2021, tomorrow, from 9 to 14:30 hours. and the date of interview is on both 16th and 17th of this month, that is tomorrow and day after tomorrow. The interviews are going to be being conducted by them, so you can go to the interviews on both these days. And see, next the job open, another important news, you can also contact the numbers given here on the screen, and the venue is Apex Laboratories Private Limited, Plant 2, Alattur, Kanchipuram district. Friends, coming to the next job openings, here is from Vital Pharma, walk-ins on 17th and 19th of July 2021, and the departments is, the location is, job location is here, you can see it is mentioned Hyderabad, and the department is production chemist, male, qualifications, coming to qualification, B Pharm or M Pharm or MSc, 2 to 5 years experience. Next department, production chemist, B Pharm or MSc, freshers are allowed for this job openings, 2018 to 2021 pass outs. And next department, production supervisor, male, qualification BSc or BZc, this is the qualification. And next department, stores, which is material management, experience 2 to 4 years, male, BSc, BCom, MBA skills, MS Office and SAP MM. So you can also contact the number given here on the brochure, 9666 977 644, and also they have provided their email ID. So you can directly walk in with your details that I have mentioned. Here you can have a look at the brochure once again. You can take a screenshot also. So friends, coming to the another job openings, which is from Chemveda. Chemveda Life Sciences is hiring for the following position: Senior Research Associate, qualification is MSc Chemistry or Organic Chemistry, Medicinal Chemistry, and the minimum experience is 1 to 8 years is the minimum experience. And interested candidates, you can send your resume to the following mail ID, hr@chemvedas.com, and the mode of interview is virtual interview. You don't need to attend, you can attend the interview from the comfort of your home. You can also contact the numbers given here on the brochure. Here you can see, you can contact this number if you have any queries. So coming to the next job openings from Torrent Pharma. Torrent Pharmaceuticals is hiring for the following department: formulation scientist, executive. The skill required is OSD, oral solid dosage form, oncology and novel drug delivery systems, and statistician. The criteria is MPharm with 2 to 6 years experience, MSc statistics 2 to 6 years experience for statistician position. And candidates may apply on the following mail IDs provided here on or before 19th of this month, with subject line application for FND, formulation department FND. Shortlisted candidates will be called for the HR for scheduling their interview. This is a virtual interview, will be scheduled from 22nd July. These are the details. Guys, these are the job openings available right now. If you really like our information, if you really want to support us, please subscribe to our channel and also like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you friends. Well, let us see and meet us in the next video.